Hello everyone, I'm Vivek. In this video I'll give a demonstration about the die oscilloscope which I brought it from the bank. It's also available in Amazon. So the specification of this oscilloscope, it needs a 12 volt supply of 1 amps. The maximum frequency which can measured by this DSO is 20 kilohertz. So now it's power up. It's booting now. They provided with the testing probe, so it generated about 1 kilohertz of 3.3 peak to peak voltage. So now you can see this. So here the switch provided for the amplitude change. Here this switch is provided for the time period. You can see the wave amplitude is decreased. For testing purpose, I installed a function generator in my app, in my mobile. It's available in the Play Store. Yes. So this function generates a square wave, sine wave, as well as a triangular wave of up to a frequency of 22 kilohertz. So if the frequency exceeds the 20 kilohertz, once the oscilloscope won't give a correct exact value. So now you see a sine wave is generating of frequency of 440, but now it's not possible to measure. So just increase the amplitude. Yes. Actually my setup is giving a 440 hertz, but it's showing a 439. So if you want to decrease the frequencies, just move the slide to left, so you can see the wave is expanding. Now if you want to increase the frequencies, just slide to right. So now the frequency is very high. So this is the time period increasing switch. So you can see it finally. So now I generated 1.51 kilohertz. It's the oscilloscope also showing the exact value, so it's now seen that it's very accurate. So now it's come to square wave generation. Just select the mode from sine wave to square wave. Here also the possible of increasing the frequency also. Yes. If you want a triangular wave, means just that. This is a sawtooth generation. So now it's test to exit the 20 kilohertz. We generate a 22 kilohertz, but it's not giving a proper value, so I decreasing below 20. Yes, this is a range. Thanks for watching, guys.